Alright, update on styrene junkie 73's build off from N.A.S Speed Shop. I got the motor done. There you guys go. It is AMC turquoise engine. It's actually the AMC color motor color. It is box stock, so what you see is what was in the kit. There's some painting on it. Nothing much there. So, pick it up. Let's see if you guys see. It's the true AMC turquoise motor or engine color. Sorry guys. Everything flat black on the pulleys. The fan. The alternator is the same color as the valve covers. Just simply because I don't have anything, no paint for like stainless steel. So this is a AMC V8. So there you guys go. Go put this back on there. Alright, thank you guys.